Now we are going to learn about seasons. Okay, seasons in Hindi. Seasons in Hindi. Likewise, in we are having 6 seasons. Okay, 6 seasons. The first one is Vasant. Okay, first one is Vasant. Meaning is spring season. Okay, spring season. We are love spring season. Okay, in that time we are having many flowers, fruits, etc. The harvesting time. Okay, harvesting time we are having the spring season, Vasant. Okay, Vasant means spring. Then the second one is Garmi season. This is summer. Okay, in the summer we can't live without the fan, air condition, etc. Air condition, etc. गर्मी के दिनों में हम पंखा के बिना सो नहीं सकते. गर्मी के दिनों में हम पंखा के बिना सो नहीं सकते means without the fan or AC we can't sleep in summer. Okay, then the third one is Varsha. The other name is Barsat. Okay, the season is rainy. The season is rainy. Children all love the rainy season. They want to play in the rainy season. Okay, rainy season. But in the time of school, we are waiting for the rain. Then only the school get leave. For the leave time, we can. All the children watching the TV while it is raining so heavy. While it is raining so heavy, the children wants leave. Okay, they are watching the TV in the rainy season. Okay, बहुत. Okay, बहुत वर्षा के समय, बहुत वर्षा के समय बच्चों टीवी देखते हैं. क्यों? क्यों? आपको याद है? वे छुट्टी चाहते हैं. छुट्टी means holiday. They want holiday. Okay. Then the fourth one is Sheet. Sheet means winter. Winter season. Okay, winter season. In the winter season, we can't go outside in the early morning. Early morning. Then the fifth one is Shishir. Shishir means autumn. Shishir means autumn. In the autumn seasons, all the things flying over here and there. We can't put anything outside. We can't put anything outside. Okay. Then the sixth one is Hemant. Hemant means frost. Frost. Okay, frost means it means बहुत ठंडा होता है. बहुत ठंडा होता means all the things getting cold. Okay, all the things getting cold. Even also we can see the coconut oil. Okay, we can put in the outside. We can see the coconut oil will get frost. Okay, the coconut oil will get froze. Okay, like that. In this season is called frost. See, Vasant means spring. Garmi means summer. Varsha, Barsat means rainy. Then Sheet means winter. Shishir means autumn. Here the last one is Hemant. Hemant means frost. Okay, understand?